You thought the DJI Pocket 4 Pro had no more surprises left? You might be wrong. The latest reveal isn't about specs or features, it's about style. What if the most exciting DJI Pocket 4 Pro upgrade isn't a new feature, but a stunning new color? Today we're taking a first look at the beautiful all-white Pocket 4 Pro. The white DJI Pocket 4 Pro is something truly special, and as far as we know, it's the first time this color option has been showcased. In terms of features and performance, it is essentially identical to the standard black Pocket 4P. The main difference is its stunning new color finish, which gives the device a completely different look and feel. Everything on the camera has been carefully designed in white, including the body, buttons, control area, and even the gimbal assembly. DJI has also added a stylish red 4P accent, creating a beautiful contrast against the clean white finish. The overall design feels premium, modern, and very eye-catching. What stands out most is the attention to detail. The camera head, rear section, and even the internal visible components all follow the same white color theme, creating a consistent and elegant appearance from every angle. It's a bold design choice that makes the Pocket 4P look fresh and unique compared to the traditional black version. While both color options look great, I feel the white Pocket 4P may appeal more to users who prefer a cleaner, more fashionable aesthetic. It has a softer and more stylish personality that helps it stand out from the crowd. For the first time, the Pocket 4P has appeared in a stunning pearl white edition, and it immediately stands out. While the design remains identical to the black model, the new color completely changes the look and feel of the camera. Everything is finished in a clean, creamy white tone, including the body, joystick, buttons, rear panel, and even the entire gimbal assembly. The red 4P accents add a premium touch, creating a refined contrast that makes the camera look more elegant and distinctive. Personally, I prefer this white version over the black one. It feels fresh, modern, and reminds me of the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition. Beyond the new appearance, the Pocket 4P still delivers the powerful imaging performance that creators expect. It features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 3x telephoto lens, giving users more flexibility for both wide and zoomed-in shots. Despite its advanced hardware, the camera remains incredibly portable, weighing under 200 grams, making it easy to carry anywhere. One of the biggest highlights is the upgraded 10-bit D-Log2 color profile. This professional recording mode expands the camera's dynamic range to an impressive 17 stops, allowing significantly greater recovery of highlights and shadows during post-production. For creators who take color grading seriously, D-Log2 provides much more flexibility and control over the final image. In challenging backlit scenes where many compact cameras struggle, the Pocket 4P performs remarkably well. Skin tones remain natural, shadows retain detail, and highlights stay under control without obvious clipping. The camera captures a balanced image even in high-contrast environments, proving that the combination of the 1-inch sensor and D-Log2 workflow is more than just marketing. DJI has positioned the Pocket 4P as a movie camera that fits in your pocket, and that description feels accurate. It combines professional video tools, strong dynamic range, advanced color science, and extreme portability in a compact package. The Pearl White Edition takes everything users already liked about the Pocket 4P and wraps it in a more premium and eye-catching design. For creators who want a compact camera that looks unique while still delivering serious video performance, the DJI Pocket 4P Pearl White Edition could easily become one of the most attractive creator-focused cameras released in recent years.